Datazapp's phone and email append services add missing phone numbers or emails to your list of names and addresses. You can find it under the Append My List box and in the left-hand menu of our services. First, upload your Excel file of names and addresses. Next, select what contact info you want added, emails, phone numbers, or both. Check the Name Append box if you do not already have names in your list. If you're getting phone numbers, select which type of numbers you want added. The Combined Cell option will find up to one phone number per record, with a priority on finding a cell number. The Combined Landline and Cell option will give you up to one cell number and one landline per record. Check the Scrub Do Not Call box to exclude numbers on the Federal Do Not Call list. Then click Next. This is a preview of the Excel file you uploaded. We need you to match the columns of names and addresses with the labels in these drop-down menus. The only columns you need to label are name, address, city, state, and zip. If your list has a column of full names, label that column as full name. If there are two sets of addresses in your list, label the mailing address first, then label the property address as alternates. All other columns should be left as non-applicable. Double check that all the columns are labeled correctly, then click Submit. This is a summary of the selections you made. In a few minutes, you'll receive an email letting you know your file is ready. If you have other files to run, repeat the append process until you have uploaded all your list. Then click the My Activity button to view your results. Click the Download button to view the price of your list. Once you see your price, click the Buy Credits button to add money to your account balance. If you are purchasing more than one list, make sure you check the boxes next to each list and click the Multiple Purchase button.